How's it going, everybody? Hope you're all doing well. Special hi to all the kids. I'm Isaiah Hwang, and in today's kids art class, I'm going to teach you how to draw Captain Barnacle from the Octonauts. So let's get into it. All right, kids. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off. If you have a pen, pencil, marker, all of those things will work. So we're going to start off with a circle. Okay, so just follow along. We're going to draw a circle like this. So we're not going to make a full circle. We're just going to do like a half circle. So about right there. Okay, so you should have kind of this funny looking U. Okay, and then what we're going to do is from here to here, we're going to draw kind of a line that is dipping down and comes back up. So we're going to go down a little bit and then come back up. So it should look like that. Okay, now from this side, what you want to do is you want to draw up and then come to the right. So we're going to go up and to the right. Okay, and then we're going to follow this line. We're going to go up. So up and then come back down and get to this point, and then we come all the way down. So you should have something that kind of looks like that. Okay, and then what we're going to draw is a circle, actually a half circle. So start on this point here, and we're going to draw a circle like this. We're going to make Captain Barnacle's ear. Okay, and then inside this circle, we're going to draw a smaller one. So it should look something like that. Now we're going to do the same thing, but on this side. So we're going to draw it here, go up. Okay, and then the same one, small, on the inside. So you should have something that looks like that. Okay, and then now, if you look at the center of Captain Barnacle's face, right in the middle, we should have his nose. So his nose should go right about here. So we draw a little circle. Okay, and then Captain Barnacle has a cool looking mustache, and that thing looks like two circles connected together. So we'll draw. So one side looks like this. Okay, and then we do the same thing but on opposite, on the other side, like this. So you should have two circles on that side. And then right below, we do a little half happy face. That's his bottom of his lip. Okay, and then now what we're going to do is we're going to draw his eyes. So his eye, one eye should be here, one eye should be here, right? So it's not a perfect circle. It looks kind of like a square circle. So you just have to follow along with me, okay? So this part is like a circle, and then it comes down, and then it comes over. So like that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to draw a little highlight. So just draw a little circle, and then we're going to color it in. So you should have one eye that looks like that. And then we're going to do the same thing on this side with this eye. So come over here. And come down. And then come over. And then we're going to do the same thing. Highlight. So you should have something that looks like that. Now on the top of Captain Barnacle's hat, he has line. So the line, there's two lines that follow this shape right here. So we're just going to go the same shape. So come down and then go back up. And there's one more line that goes like that. Comes up. And then he has right in the center of his hat, he has this little symbol, and it looks like an octopus. So inside of this circle, so we're going to make a circle. Okay, so there's a circle, right? Now inside the circle, we're going to draw an octopus. So the octopus looks like there's a circle. Okay, and then he has little tentacles. It goes like that. And then he has one more tentacle. And then he has these little kind of U letter shapes. And then he has another tentacle. And then this tentacle comes up again. It comes back. And then for the eyes, there's 2 dots on each eye. And then he has a little mouth. Okay, so then now what we're going to do is we're going to draw his body. So his body kind of looks like a big, skinny U shape. Okay, and it starts right about here and it comes up like this to this part. So we're going to start here. So we're going to go down. And then we're going to come up. And then we're going to go back up. So it should look like a U, the letter U. And then what he has is he has a little collar. So the collar goes like this. And then this part goes up. And then what we do is we just do the same thing but on the opposite side. So this part goes down right here. And then since this one goes this way, this one should go that way. So we go this way. So now he has a collar, right? And on his collar, he has these little arrow shapes. So he's got 3 of them on each side. So he's got 1, 2, and 3. And then he has the same thing, but on the opposite side. So on here, he's got 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Now he has a zipper. I'm just going to make it really simple. So what you're going to do is you're just going to draw straight down 2 lines. And then we're just going to go across and make the zipper. And then he has this little thing that goes like this. Okay? And then for his arms just come out this way and then it comes around like this. And it's a really simple shape. So I'll go really slow and you guys can follow along. So we just come down and then we turn. And then when we get to close to his body, we just make a little circle back and come up and then we go back. And we're going to do this exactly the same, but on this side like this. So starting here, we come down and then we come back over, then make a circle and keep going, come back and finish. And then we're going to draw his gloves. So you're just going to draw a line right here. And then we're going to do another line right here. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we have to draw his legs. So his legs, they're just going to be 2 lines that come down. So 1 line here. Okay. Then the same line, but on this side. Come down. So you should have just 2 lines like that, right? Now on this part, instead of going straight, you want to come down just a little bit, like a half circle, like that. Okay? Because it looks like his leg is inside his boot, right? And then we're going to draw his boot. So his boot, on this part, just come down. Okay, down. And then you want to come out just a little bit out. And then you want to bring this part up. And then come back up. And come back in. And then we go all the way up, like that. And then, see there's a little line that goes like this. Right here, right in that spot. You just want to draw another line like that. Okay? So we're going to do this thing right here on the same spot, on this right spot. So same thing, go down. And then on this part, we go down. Okay? And then remember how we made this line like this? We do the same thing right here. Like that. And then see this part where we come out a little bit and we go down? We do the same thing on this spot. We go out a little bit and then we come down. And then see how this one comes out this way? This one should go out this way. So we come down and then we come out a little bit, right? And then see how this part goes like this? We just make that but the opposite way. So we go like this. Okay? And then how this part comes up and then goes in, we do the same thing. Goes up and then it goes in. And then how it comes out and then it goes back in, we do the same thing. Goes out and then it comes in. And then see how this line was here? We do the same line right here. So now he has his boots on. And the final thing that he has is he has a cool utility belt that comes across his waist. And the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna draw right here, we're gonna draw a circle. But it's gonna be not a perfect circle, but more like an oval. So it's gonna look like this. Okay? And then what we're gonna draw is we're gonna draw a line right here. And we're gonna keep this line going straight. And it'll stop right about there. And then here, there's these two little yellow parts of his belt. We just go straight down and go across and come straight down and go across. And then this line, we just follow a little bit and then we do it again. Come down, go across, come down, go across. And then you see this line, it should connect right there. And then we're gonna do the same thing, but from this bottom part. So we finish his belt. So his belt should probably be right about here. So we start here and come across. So it should be at the same angle. This line goes like this. This bottom line should be the same. So we just follow it. And then we follow it. So now you have a belt, right? And then right next to his belt, he's got this little thing that comes down and it hangs off of his side. So it looks just like that. And then inside this circle, he has a compass. So this one you might have to use a pencil or something really small. I'm going to try to use this marker to show you, but he basically has a little compass inside and it looks like two diamonds. And then right in the middle comes across. Okay? So right now this is like pretty much done. So what we're going to do is we're going to color Captain Barnacle. So Captain Barnacle, the cool thing is his face and his hands, they're white, right? Because he's a polar bear. But his other parts of his uniform are light blue and dark blue. So what I like to do is for his ear, it should be a light blue. So you could just choose any light blue color that you like. Remember last time I taught you guys, if you want to make something light and you only have one color, you just press very, very lightly. And then if you want to make it darker, you just press firmly. And you press harder, then it gets darker. So you should have a nice light blue. And his nose, right here, his mustache actually, sorry, is a light blue. Okay? And then you know what else is light blue? It's his hat. So we're going to color everything except the inside of this circle. We're going to color this light blue. I'm sure you guys are doing an awesome job. So just keep coloring. Keep on coloring. And it's okay if you go outside of the lines a little bit. There's no mistakes in art. You can just keep on coloring and keep trying. Okay? And then what else is a light blue is his collar right here. So we're going to color his collar. Sounds like I said we're going to color his color. We're going to color his collar. This is a collar. And then his belt, this part right here, this is a light blue. And then the inside of this belt is a light blue. And inside, and that little spot. And then you know what else is light blue? Is his boots. So we color these boots light blue. I'm gonna color these light blue. See how I went across a little bit right there? That's like totally fine, right? Okay, Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna color the dark blue parts. So you see this octopus? So the outside of it, inside the circle, should be a dark blue. So I have my dark blue crayon and I'm just coloring it. Dark blue. Okay. And then what else is dark blue is his uniform. So all of this is dark blue. Right? And this part is dark blue. And then this inside right here of his uniform is dark blue. And his legs are blue. And then this little thing on the side right here, this is also that dark blue. Alright. So then now, forgot his nose. So Captain Barnacle's nose is a gray color. Okay. And inside of his belt, his utility belt, there's these two yellow parts. So just make it yellow. And then the red is the top of this little triangle. And that's what shows north, where he's going north. And there should be a yellow around this thing. I don't know if it's gonna look like it, but we can just color the outside yellow. And that's it. It's Captain Barnacle from Octonauts. Well, that about does it. I hope you had a good time, kids. I'll see you next time. And remember to let your light shine. Bye.